think many Kenyans will be glad to know that they are both fit and ready to play in the final. So those were the two people from the last game against Algeria. There were concerns about Eugene Sifuna, a bit of a shoulder strain. John Okoth as well had a challenge with the shoulder. That's what we've gone to look for, which is consistency and a settled side. And we are very confident that this team can put Namibia under a lot of pressure for the full 80 minutes.